In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from Dropbox Computer to mobile. Before we begin, make sure you have a reliable internet connection on both your computer and your mobile device. A stable connection is essential because we'll first upload the file on your computer, then download it onto your phone. Start on your computer by opening your favorite web browser and logging into your Dropbox account. Once you're in, upload the file you want to move to your phone. You can keep things organized by creating a new folder, or you can simply drag and drop the file into Dropbox. If you prefer using the buttons, click Upload, then choose File and browse for the exact file you want. After you select it, wait for the upload to finish completely. You'll typically see a progress indicator. Don't switch devices until it shows the file is fully uploaded. For larger files, give it extra time and try to stay on a solid Wi-Fi connection to avoid interruptions. When the file appears in your Dropbox and shows as uploaded, move to your phone. Open the Dropbox mobile app and make sure you're signed into the same Dropbox account you used on the computer. That's important because your files sync to your account, not to the device itself. Navigate to the folder where you placed the file. If you don't see it right away, pull down to refresh or wait a moment for the sync to complete. Now long press the file you uploaded to select it. At the top of the screen, tap the download icon. The app will ask where you want to save the file on your device. Choose a folder you'll remember, such as your Downloads folder, and confirm your choice. If your phone prompts you to grant storage permissions, approve them so Dropbox can save the file to your device. You should see the download start, and depending on the file size and your connection, it may take a few moments. Once the download finishes, you can open the file directly from your phone's notification, your file manager, or the folder you selected. If storage is tight, consider clearing some space before downloading large files. And if a file doesn't appear, double-check you're logged into the same Dropbox account and that the upload on your computer fully completed. That's all there is to it. Upload on your computer, then download from the Dropbox app onto your phone. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for new uploads.